Hello Gemini, welcome to my channel. So Merry Christmas. I'm making this video on a Christmas here. So have a great time and enjoy with family and friends. Also Happy New Year. Celebrate your New Year with great enthusiasm. And taking care of the COVID situation. Have a great time. And this is your reading for 28th December to 3rd January, the last reading, career weekly reading for this year. And we'll see in the next year then for the next career business reading. So let's see, Gemini. Hopefully we have some awesome stuff. In this reading you get to know what opportunities could present itself this week, or what challenges you could face, if any, so that you can handle it better. So let's start. Gemini's general energies, career, business, money, reading from 28 December to 3rd January. Gemini, career, business, money, 3rd January. Gemini, last shuffle, the death. So there is a transformation. You have gone, oh great. So a lot of transformation you have gone. 4 of Wands, Knight of Wands. It's an active week for you. 8 of Swords, the Empress. So Gemini, this is a card of transformation here. If you look back to what you know in the early 2020, from now, if you see, you have gone through a lot. There are major changes in the way you think, the way you look, the way you have been working, your style of working. So major changes that I see. And also you will see in 2021, this will continue for the better actually. Your proactive your proactive thoughts in your money situation, the way you handle it has really got you a financial stability. And also what I feel, Gemini, is that yes, you have achieved quite a lot. Your career has been better, good. Your finances have been stable, and you have seen growth and prosperity in 2020 because of your hard work, because of your the effort that you took, Gemini. And it has got you the success, the awards, the rewards, the allocates, the applaud, the praises that you have got. So it's all, you deserve it. Like, that's what I get here. Very energetic, very enthusiastic you will be this week. And there is a lot of curiosity also, and there could be a communication regarding, a sudden communication regarding a situation here in your, it could be a daily change in the daily routine, or suddenly you planning out to go on a vacation, or suddenly going out with friends, or you need to travel to a destination and there's a change there, a last minute change here. This is also a card of curiosity, so you will try to gain knowledge. You will seek more knowledge on a certain situation related to business, career, or money situation here. So gaining knowledge is also with the Page of Swords. It is mainly online. You will try to find out about resources, about new business, jobs. That's what you will be doing. It's that you have started already planning your 2021 now. You have certain plans and you want to make it concrete and solid, so that you can work on it as the year. I see you you are really focused in growth here, and you want to see your financial status, your overall status at a much higher level in 2021, and you will be working towards it. 4 of Wands, so deals coming through, new business deals, new association here. Yeah, so some deals finally getting getting on paper, on legal paper here. The final stages have been done. Some of you could be buying homes, an apartment or a home for yourself. That's also what I get here. Some of you Geminis will be getting married or attending weddings for some, either your friend or family here. Lord, get-togethers with family friends is also good time, celebration, feeling good, feeling happy. That's what also I get. Yeah, New Year Eve, and from Christmas, it's a great time. This 5 to 6 days, it's all about celebration. So you also will be balancing your work and your work life as well as your personal life, which is lot of enjoyment, lot of happiness for you here. You will be balancing that. It seems that there could be this is an active week again for you here. Lot of activity. It could be a card of travel, so short travel, long travel, but yes, there is travel and it will be beneficial for you here. Yeah, so there could be certain sudden plans you will be making in this week. You haven't thought about it. It could be regarding a travel, or either for a holiday or for a work situation. Sudden travel, sudden communication coming, which will change your plans here. Eight of Swords, but some Geminis, you are still stuck into some difficult situation. You will be feeling low. You will be feeling depressed. This is for some of you here. But this is a card of overthinking. It's card of being stuck in the head. This is a card like, there isn't the issues aren't as big. Yes, there are issues in your life, but being in this energy only makes the issue much bigger. So you need to come out of this energy. This is self-inflicted, bondage, self-inflicted worries here. So need to come out of this energy. It's getting stuck over the head. That's what in the head. So come out of these energies. Look around for help. Some you will get help. And so yes, with this overthinking and feeling sad, depressed, nothing is going to work out. Also, you should be happy and come out to celebrate. That's what I would say here. So yes, come out of these stuck energies, stuck in the head. Empress, so you see yourself, you will be in a very nurturing, caring Gemini towards the people you work with or at home. Also there is a lot of growth, abundance, happiness. You will be having great moments with your family, good food, good clothes, looking great, attractive. That's what comes with this Empress card. So much more abundance, much more growth is waiting for you in 2021, being the last card that I see here. So yeah, great, you will be having success in 2021 much more than 2020. It's just that you just need to keep working consistently and persistently the way you did it in 2021, and no one can stop you from being successful. As I do not see any pentacle card here, so money could I cannot directly say you, but Empress card is a card of growth, abundance, financial abundance too here. Also Four of Wands is like a lucky card. It's a card of some deal coming through or something. So monetary gain could come for something that you have worked on, investments, you have made investments. Also this is about real estate deals, so maybe brokerage or deals coming through, or a sudden money coming through. You have invested in stock market, so you could get that money. Stock market, bonds, real estate deals going through. Farming land, either there could be purchase or sale, or farming the products from there. That's what I get here. So this is it, Gemini. So have a great great time, and stay blessed. Thank you so much.